Good afternoon. I'm here with my number 1 granddaughter and number 2 granddaughter, Sadie and Hallie. We are going to make Hawaiian rolls. It's a Pampered Chef recipe and it is super simple and the kids absolutely love them. So first thing we're going to do, Sadie, if you want to pour the milk in there. Sadie's going to put the milk in the mixing bowl.
Hot milk.
And then we are going to put in 2 tablespoons of yeast. And Sadie, if you'll dump in the sugar in there.
Then into the glass.
There you go. And I'm just going to whisk it just a little bit. And then we're going to let that set for about 5 minutes or until it gets frothy. But I made this recipe the other day and the kids absolutely loved it.
Actually, a few other days.
Well, it's an easy recipe. You have to have 2 different times for it to rise, but other than that, it's easy, and it's something that you can do with the kids and let them help make it. And then the great thing about making our own bread is that we know where the bread came from. There's no extra preservatives, there's no bad stuff in there, and it's a little bit healthier than going to the store, and they absolutely love it. Sadie made her some chicken sandwiches out of it the other day with some chicken that I roasted up in my air fryer, and she gave me one of the best compliments that it tasted like Chick-fil-A sandwich. So I was quite excited that she loved it and the rest of the kids loved it. So, but this recipe, it's just easy, it's great, and it's something that you can do with the kids and let them help you in the kitchen on hot days or anytime. If you don't have anything to do and you just want to do something with your kids, I think teaching them how to cook is something that we really need to be working on, because that's something that they don't know really a lot about. They don't know how to meal prep, how to fix their foods. All they know is how to be goofy. So, but we have fun while we're doing this, and it's just something that we can do together when we're at Maw Maw's house.
Dang it.
Okay, we're going to take a short break.